Welcome to the quick demo of SpecGPT. First, you're going to put your email in this box. Then you're going to click this button and it will send a code. We do this so you can sign in securely without having to create an account with us. So I'm going to go over here and check and see if one has come through. You see we have a code. We're going to select that and copy it. Then we're going to go back and enter it here with the login code. We ask that you also tell us who you are. And then go ahead and click this, and in you go. So now what you're going to want to do is either drag and drop files or folders, or go ahead and click directly. And then you've got a number of options. Wherever you have your specs, just grab the whole project if you want, or a few of them. To make this fast, I'm only going to grab one. It will then upload, parse, and process, at which point you should see this button turn blue, at which point you can then go to the chat page. Now there's some important points here. First, you can just click any one of these and it'll automatically ask the question. After you've asked the question, the answer will come down here. In addition, you can click this button here and actually use your voice to ask questions. You can type questions in here. The source will be here so that you can click through and make sure that the answer that came through actually worked. If you like the response, click here. If you didn't like the response, click here. The other thing to note is you can look at all of your uploaded documents and just make sure that it got everything you wanted. And the other thing is when you're done working with this and having some fun and just seeing how it goes, you can click here and delete all your data. We do this so that you can feel comfortable working with SpecGPT and having, again, playing with it a little bit, understanding what it's good at, what it's bad at, without having to worry about your documents ever leaving this environment. After it's done, it's purged from our back end and everything. Thank you so much for trying, and we look forward to hearing how you found it.